Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it now, and press bell icon so that you will never miss our future videos. In this video we are going to see how we can see your system's remaining battery percentage using Python code. First of all, open command prompt or terminal in code editor, then install ctl using pip command. Now import ctl. Next, use the built-in function called ctl.sensors_battery and assign it to a variable. Convert the result obtained to string and print using the print statement. You can see that while I am making this video, my laptop has 42% of battery remaining. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more amazing contents.